Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's all about PLAB 1, the very first part of the Professional and Linguistic Assessments Board exam for international medical graduates who want to work as doctors in the UK. So if you're planning to take the PLAB 1 exam, or if you're just curious about it, then this is the video for you. So first things first, what is PLAB 1? So PLAB 1, which is the Professional and Linguistic Assessments Board Exam Part 1, is a multiple choice question exam that assesses the knowledge and understanding of clinical medicine and patient management of doctors. It is a paper-based test which lasts for 3 hours and is made up of 180 questions. The questions are designed to test the ability of doctors to apply their medical knowledge to real-life scenarios. So, any doctor wanting to take this exam needs to have a good understanding of basic sciences, clinical medicine, and medical ethics. The great thing about PLAB 1 exam is it's not only taken in the UK, it's taken in these countries as well. That's Australia, Bangladesh, Canada, Egypt, Ghana, India, Kenya, Nigeria, Pakistan, Ireland, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Spain, Sri Lanka, and the UAE. So how do you prepare for this exam? First of all, you need to check to see if you need to satisfy the English language requirements for this exam, and I'm going to drop the link in the description so you can check to see what's needed. Most times, doctors do write the IELTS exam or the OET exam. Next, you need to also check to see that you have an acceptable medical degree. There will be a link in the description below where you can check to see if your medical degree is acceptable. Next, you need resources for this exam. So in the next slide, I'm going to discuss the resources that have helped most doctors pass this PLAB exam. There are loads of resources out there for the PLAB 1 exam, but I'm going to talk about two main ones, and in my opinion, these two are sufficient to pass the exam, and I believe other doctors would agree with me. So the first is PLAB 1 Keys. PLAB 1 Keys is basically notes which cover the entire curriculum of the PLAB 1 exam, and it costs between £30 to £140 depending on the duration of subscription that you want. There'll be a link to the website in the description below. Next is PLABable. PLABable is basically a question bank. It's available as an app on your phone, or you can also access it on your laptop. There's also the PLABable Gems, which contain concise notes. There's a revision course that's also organized from time to time, and a big mock organized by the PLABable team. I'll drop the link to their website also in the description area. Preparing for PLAB 1 can be a daunting task, but there are some things you can do to make this easier. First of all, you need to make sure that you've got a good understanding of the basic sciences and clinical medicine. You also need to familiarize yourself with the format of the exam and the type of questions that are asked. So I've dropped a link to some sample questions that you can use for practice in the description below. I've also dropped links to GMC's advice for PLAB 1 and the scope for the curriculum, which is also known as the PLAB Blueprint. When it comes to taking the PLAB 1 exam, these strategies can be used to increase your chances of success. So first of all, you should ensure that you are able to manage your time very well. You don't need to rush through the exam. You need to take time to think about each question before answering. And if you're unsure about a question, don't waste too much time on it. You can flag it, come back to it later if you have time. You should note that the exam consists of 180 questions with a duration of 3 hours given, meaning that you have about just 1 minute for each question. Please subscribe because I'm going to drop a video next on how I passed the PLAB 1 exam with less than 4 weeks of preparation. So there you have it. This is a quick overview of the PLAB 1 exam and some tips on how to prepare for it. Remember, the key to success in PLAB 1 is preparation, practice, and a clear understanding of the exam format and content. If you're planning to take this exam, I wish you the best of luck. Practice, practice, practice. Practice with the question banks. end the mocks. Thanks for watching. And before I forget, PLAB will soon be replaced by the UKMLA. So please subscribe because I'm going to talk about the UKMLA very soon in one of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.